Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at two products sent to me by AliExpress. They're a really awesome marketplace. Obviously, there's stuff that's good for school and also stuff to keep you entertained and stuff that's fun or even useful. AliExpress back to school promotion is going to be from August 19th to August 25th, and you can get up to 80% off different products. The first thing that they sent me is actually this. If you can take a look, this is a small little action body camera. It comes with various attachments. This one, for example, you can just click it like this and then place it on your shirt. Let's say if you're doing some type of sport, moving around, or even around the house, and you can see very cool quality. The camera is right here. It's very simple to use, has a few buttons on the side, comes with various accessories. This other accessory is like a little rubber housing for it so you can protect it. You have the little pin out for the buttons as well. Of course, it's going to come with the USB cable as well. Another cool little connection here. You can connect this to like a camera stand or a tripod and put the camera, and that way you can have something that's stationary if you don't want it to have it on you or moving around. Then here you can see it's kind of playing the video there, and it's really cool. You can go around, go undercover, do some really fast sports. It's a very, very cool little camera, and comes in like a nice little affordable package. And that's something that, let's say if you need to, video your work, or if you want to, ride your bike around or something like that. Very, very cool. I actually like using this if I'm building a computer or something like that, so you can get a nice, really close-up view of what you're doing. And if you pin it on your shirt, you don't have to actually move it around or do anything like that. You don't have to have like a tripod or, be working with a camera at the same time. So that's certainly a very, very cool product. And I'm also going to put the link in the description below, as well as my discount code for you to get further discounts on whatever you buy on AliExpress. One great thing about AliExpress, for new users, they're going to offer free shipping and free returns. That's actually like really, really cool. It's a really big marketplace, so that way you can find things of various levels, various prices, high-end things, cheaper things, and the free shipping is really cool. It comes fairly quickly, and if it's something that you think wasn't the right fit, you're also going to get free returns. So continuing with AliExpress's motto, where they have better selection, better prices, the next item that I got was a drone. Now this is going to be a very small, affordable drone. You're not going to break the bank. Look how cool this is. Looks really, really awesome. So you open up the drone, and right here you have a little camera right in the front. You can connect this to an app as well if you want to control it that way. And then right in the back here, you're going to have a little battery compartment. Very cool. It's a little USB battery. Comes with the charging cable. You just plug it into the other end, USB to a power adapter, and then that's your battery for the drone. It's very cool, very small, very lightweight. Looks really, really cool. And of course, if you don't want to use the app, you're going to get a controller, very similar to the other drone controllers. These are the antennas that go up. And then in the back, you're just going to have to put in 3 different batteries, AA batteries right in the back. And then that's your controller, your power button. It's going to have your takeoff and different things you can do when you're flying the drone. But overall, very, very cool. And of course, it does come with a little bag of accessories. That's going to be extra blades and, even a little screwdriver. I know from flying these drones around, it's very easy to smack them into the wall sometimes, and you do end up damaging the blade here or there. So it's cool that it comes with extras so you can, switch them out. So that's very, very awesome. And it's something affordable. If you just want to mess around, you don't have to spend $300 or $400 or $1,000 on a drone. This will do a lot of that fun for a considerably cheaper price. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Once again, I got this from AliExpress, and something cool, even though these products aren't really related, technically, if you wanted to mount this camera to this drone, I think it's light enough that it would be able to do it. You would just have to maybe fasten it with a little Velcro or something like that, and then you could have actually maybe even 2 cameras rolling on this. And another cool thing you can do, you could even pin this camera here while you're flying the drone, so then you can get a shot from the drone with one camera, and then this one you can actually follow around and see what you're doing. So that's a good way to have like a 2-man camera crew with one person. So that's a pretty cool use of these items. And once again, these are on AliExpress, where they're going to offer free shipping and free returns as well for new users. I'm going to leave the link down below, as well as my coupon coupon code, so that way you guys can get an even bigger discount on these products. Remember, they're having a back to school sale from August 19th to August 25th. These are just some of the cool products that they have on there. It's almost like finding a little hidden gem of, like, you know, little tech things you can get. Very cool little gizmos and toys, and it doesn't break the bank. It's not very expensive. The selection is amazing, and the prices are even better. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave the description down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.